Ladies, can I ask you a real question? When was the last time you did something for your pleasure? Not for your partner, not for your kids, for you. On the Grip Tour, I'm offering HIFU Yoni Rejuvenation, a non-invasive, sacred experience to help you release dryness, discomfort, and stress stored in your womb spaces. I'm pulling up in cities, Chicago, New York, Houston, Atlanta, and Raleigh. Spots are super limited. If this speaks to you or to the woman you're becoming, book now and save 10%. Sis, your healing matters and your pleasure does too. This ain't your typical spa day. HIFU Yoni Rejuvenation is where science meets sacred. It's gentle, non-invasive, and honestly life-changing for women dealing with vaginal laxity, low sensitivity, or dryness. You walk in stressed in your body and you walk out feeling reborn. We're bringing this tour to your city: Chicago, New York, Houston, Atlanta, Raleigh. Ladies, this is your sign. Book now and save 10%. And if you want this retreat, come together as a group. You know what they don't teach us? That your space and your womb deserve care, just like your skin, like your mind, and your spirit. That's why I created the Grip Tour. HIFU Yoni Rejuvenation is a sacred luxury, a reset, a celebration of your divine feminine. Don't wait for a breakdown to invest in your body. We're coming to Chicago, New York, Houston, Atlanta, Raleigh. Book now and save 10%. You're better yet. Retreat with girls. Healing is a way more powerful when it's a community. You gotta work on not tilting it back. Confidence, flow, feminine energy. That's the vibe I want for you. I've seen what happens when women reconnect with this sensual power through HIFU Yoni Rejuvenation. It's not just physical, it's energetic. That's why I'm hitting the road. The Grip Tour is on its way. 5 cities, limited sessions, 10% off if you book now. Sis, healing is the new sexy. Let's get you glowing again. Let's be real. Not every man understands what it means to hold space for a woman's healing. But I do. That's why I created this experience, not just as a practitioner, but as someone who honors the feminine. HIFU Yoni Rejuvenation is a sacred work. It's not just for fixing, it's about remembering. Tour stops are coming fast. Book your session and save 10% now. Your body's been waiting for this.